What's going on, guys? Right here is a 2015 Ram ProMaster. 2015 Ram ProMaster. I'm gonna show you guys where the battery is located at, guys, because I had a problem locating this battery. Believe it or not, guys, the battery is up underneath the floor pan right here. You see this cover right here, guys? That's where the battery is at, right up underneath this thing right here. You see these things, these clips? That one is gone because the truck is old. It's a old piece of shit truck. You guys see these? Use a flathead screwdriver, guys, and you're gonna turn them. Turn them. The one up underneath there is just like this one. You use a quarter. Go ahead and use a quarter or a short flathead screwdriver to turn it. Use a quarter or a short flathead screwdriver to turn the one up on the underneath there, and then you're gonna pick this piece up. You're gonna pick it up and you're gonna take it out. See, it's right there, guys. Battery's right there. Now, in order to get the battery out, you gotta move that nut right there. There is a number 13 socket. Number 13 socket. That's what it looks like. Number 13 socket, guys. Now, once you guys get this piece off here, you see these two screws right there? Loose those two screws. Those are Phillips, and take that red piece out of there, because that red piece is holding this thing down. As you guys can see, the battery is new. It's a new battery. I changed it already. That's what I'm telling you guys the step on how to get this battery from out of here. Take them two from out of there and take this pin from out of there, this red pin, because this red pin is what holding this whole thing down. But once you guys get the red pin out of there, that is the nut that's holding down the battery cable, guys. That is a number 10. That is a number 10. Turn that nut to the left. Turn it to your left, which is that way, that direction. Turn it to your left. Once that thing is new, that battery terminal comes off with the whole thing. That's after you take off this red piece right here. You're gonna lose this, and this piece right here comes off with this. All of it comes off. Then you're gonna lose this one here.
You're gonna disconnect the battery.
Yeah, that is a number 13, guys. Okay, that right there, that is a number 13. Go ahead and loose it and take that piece off of there, the battery terminal. Then you're gonna grab the battery. It has two arms on it, and go ahead. You're gonna tilt it first. You're gonna tilt it and slide it out. You're gonna tilt it up this direction and slide it out. And guys, when you guys go to take out this battery, put on your mask, okay? Put on your mask. With that said, that is it on how to take out this battery.